got here is a 2004 set, one of these original poles here. Catch. You want a front foot catch so they hang down like this. That's tough crap. So when they hang by their front foot like this, when they expire, you know, all the poop goes down. So that's why I hang them like this, the tail will bend over. Dang, but yeah, it's a pretty one. do rabbit snare. We don't have a rabbit. Dang it. But, all right. Oh, a little mouse just came out. I always get scared. A little mouse came out of the box, Barb.
So just want a wolverine.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh. Nice.
It's gonna take a second here though. Man.
Holy crap, look at him.
Yeah.
I was like, this one's a...
Yeah, look at that thing. Yeah.
I've never seen one of those.
Wolverine?
Yeah.
Wolverine?
That's the only thing David's never ever trapped. He never
Really?
did get one.
Nope, and this is what David wanted.
Look at the
Both of them, David and
blonde.
Mom both wanted one.
Well, Mom
Wow.
got one.
Yep, Mom got one.
This thing's clamped.
I was like, this
Let me
is what
see,
you
sometimes
wanted
I-
so bad.
Get this
Oh,
sucker.
cool. It's got a blonde
That's
diamond
a
on it.
pretty
I
one.
see it. Michigan Wolverine.
Oh, that's right, huh? Yeah.
That's right. We don't have any living in Michigan.
I haven't looked.
At least I don't think.
I've only seen a badger in.
Look at the blonde on this. This is a mounter for sure with the blonde.
That's pretty.
Oh, you can get it off too, huh? It didn't freeze with the snow around it.
When they're around the neck like this, I usually can pop them.
Yeah.
Yep, nice perfect clamp.
Holy smoke.
She's frozen block.
Well, that's what they do when it was 24 below.
Here you go. It's a little heavier than the.
Then that
Look
little-
how pretty that blonde is.
Look how
It's
pretty it is.
beautiful.
That's a full mount.
Yes, it is.
Wow!
Look
Look at it! Oh, cool.
Your little mouse came out and scared you. He had a bug in
Woohoo!
there.
First Wolverine of the year.
Is it?
Yeah. For us, yep.
Yep,
Oh,
for
wow.
This year it is.
This is heavy.
This
I know,
stuff-
you can set it down if you want. Let's see. Yeah. I like how blonde it is. It's probably a female, huh? Well, I don't know. It's got a big head.
I don't know.
Hard to tell.
Can't get to it set.
Seems like I can't get to him.
But all I know is it has a real blonde thing.
It's
or
super
crown.
blonde,
See
yeah.
that?
Yeah.
That's pretty.
That's
A lot
beautiful.
of the Wolverines don't have a distinct blonde like that.
Really?
Well, they do, but not like that.
Not like that. That's
Yeah, I've
pretty.
seen them black before.
That's really
Yeah.
pretty.
No, that's gonna be a good one. I over here. I don't know. I'll take
And
you
it
guys
freezes in his
I
mustache.
caught a lynx here in a 330 once, and it took my martin. It had my martin trap. It dragged my trap around with the wire. It unwired it from the pole, and I got caught right here. I had a milk crate back then. Just gonna reset this here. Yeah. You can tell this one caught quite a few. It's all bent up. They start warping, you know.
But they still work.
They still work.
Yep. Oh,
Have you ever set a trap, Barb?
I have.
Yeah? So do you ever use conibears in these safeties? Just a body grip. So like if you're doing this by yourself, put this little safety
Right.
thing on it.
Yeah. No.
Like that. Actually, we go to the second setting and try to get around that block. All right. So that block on the bottom holds it, and then I bend these up. And I slide this dowel rod through here. Kind of helps hold the trap in place. that. And once you're done putzing, we know it's gonna dump another, what, 18 inches, so. I was gonna scent it all up, but it's just gonna get buried. Next time I will.
Yeah.
When I got a good forecast, you know, good weather.
You still have meat in there?
Oh yeah, there's
Oh, yeah.
plenty in there.
Oh.
Yeah. That's what's cool about these. Once they get nailed, they don't have a chance to even get to it, you know.
Oh, okay.
They get clamped, you know, before they get to it. 4 to 5, and then tomorrow's like 17. Yeah, anything I do is kind of
First
like...
wolverine of the season. It's a good one.